Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Shankar. In this video, we are going to see about implementing greedy algorithm for scheduling tasks with deadline. For that, I'm just giving job name, then deadline, then empty list, then profile the empty list, then new job name, empty list, new deadline, empty list, then new profile, then empty list, then temp, empty list, then sorted profile index, empty list, then total profile is equal to 0. Here I'm just printing the output because it should show on the output, so I'm just printing in the output. Then this is the user input. N is equal to input, enter the number of jobs. Then I1 is equal to input, enter the job name. Then it just splits with comma in between every job name. It just splits everything with comma. For I in I1, for I dot is alpha is equal to true, it just goes for here. Otherwise, it just goes here. Then it just goes for the yeah, user input here. D1 is going to input enter the deadline, and we should enter the deadline in the output. Then it just splits with the comma. For J in D1, for J is this digit is equal to true. Then deadline is equal to append. It just appends the value. Then P1 is equal to input enter profile. Then yeah, it's also the splits with comma. For k in P1, if k dot is digit is equal to true, profile dot append of int of k, then max work days is equal to max deadline, job is equal to none, star n plus 1, day none, star n plus 1, profile none, star n plus 1, then temp next n profile. For x in range, max value is equal to max temp, sorted profile index dot append temp at dot index max value, then temp dot index of max value is equal to -1. For y in range, this is for y in range and this is for z in range. New job name append. These are the values which are to be appended there. Then these are the values which are according to the deadline. It will calculate everything for range. Then in here else part, it just goes for temp value is equal to new deadline. Then while temp value is greater than 0, it just goes for if here. Otherwise, it just goes for else part here. Print for for a in range max work days plus 1. If days of a is equal to none, it just continues. Otherwise, it just goes for print day, then day the value, then job value, then profit value. Then it just calculates everything and gives the total value, total profit. I'm just running the code here, and we can see just shows that enter the number of jobs. I'm just giving the jobs as 5. Then it's just asking for enter the job name. I'm just giving A, B, C, D, E because I'm using comma between because I have given the comma here itself to split everything. Just use comma, so I like giving the comma here. Just ask for deadline. I'm just giving the deadline as 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Then it just asks for profit. I'm just giving the profit as 50, 10, 20, 40, 15. Now we just calculates everything and shows the output. Let's see. For day 1, it shows job A to be done because job A I am giving as deadline as 1. In the table for 1 and 2, I'm just allocating the deadline for A is 1. So 1 because it checks this because the profit of this is greater than anything in the 1. So it just takes 1 here. So job A is profit 50. Then job B just goes for job B. Then let's see what is the profit. which is higher than anything, higher than anything, or less than the 50. So higher than the 50 is not there. So little bit less than the 50 and higher than the rest of the things, it's 40. And it's the deadline is 2, so it can be done. So it just allocates for second day job. So it just calculates the both 50 plus 40, then it gives the total profit at 90. So the job sequencing using greedy technique is verified and displayed successfully in different cases, different test cases. Thank you guys.